Hello, Miss White. This is Jesus. We've been communicating through Facebook, and I wanted to teach you some SEO tricks and tips. Uh, and I have your competitor's website pulled up here just to kind of show you what comes or what goes into SEO and ranking a website and being more relevant online. Okay, so a few of the things I'm going to talk about, the first one being content, the second one being backlinks, and then lastly citations. Okay, I'm going to explain everything to you, okay, so you don't have to worry and wonder what it is that I'm talking about. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. So even though this website looks really nice and really pretty, and this is out of Hattiesburg as well, by the way, just so you know, I googled boutique Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and I saw that they were ranking at number 5, and they're on the top 3 here in the map pack. So just so you know that I'm not pulling your leg or anything. So like I said, it's really pretty. But unfortunately, Google doesn't care how pretty your website is. All they care about is the amount of content you have, okay? And the amount of keywords you have. So if I were to highlight all their content here and click copy, I'm going to put it in my word counter. We're going to see exactly how many words they have on their website. So they have 224 keywords, or 224 words, I should say. An authoritative website usually has anywhere between 15 and 2,000 words. Okay, and if I'm honest with you, Miss White, if you wanted to be ranked on Google, I would highly recommend you get a website or have someone build you a website. Okay, that's how you that's kind of the way of the world these days, right? So, and then as they're building the website, you would want anywhere between 15 and 2,000 words, just basically stating what you do, and then having keywords in there like boutique Hattiesburg. French's boutique Hattiesburg, Hattiesburg boutique, Hattiesburg, Mississippi boutique. All these are keywords that you could use to rank your website and to become more relevant online. So I did pull them up, your competitor here on this tool called Ahrefs. Now this is a paid tool. I'm in the industry, so this is what I do. I use this tool, but there's a plethora of tools out there that you can use to do this research on your own, like keyword finder. You could do backlink finder, things like that. Okay, so we're going to talk about backlinks really quick. Okay, so since I have their analytics of their website pulled up, you can see that they have a total of 4 referring domains, and what that is just 4 different websites that refer back to their website. So they're pushing traffic to their website. As you can see here, they have roughly 167 people per month that are visiting their website. Okay, and they have a total of 209 organic keywords. All right, which is actually really great, right? So it makes it easier for Google to find them by using these keywords. I'm going to click on here and see exactly the keywords that they have. And just like I stated, right, boutiques in Hattiesburg, they've got boutique Hattiesburg, boutiques Hattiesburg, boutiques in Hattiesburg. So yeah, they're ranking high for a reason. They're using things that people are looking for. They're called buyer intent keywords. So if people are Googling this here, then their intent is to buy like now. So I would recommend, as you're building your website, to go on ahead and insert these keywords so that Google can find you as well. All right, and then the good thing about these backlinks, Miss White, is that if they're good enough to rank your opponent and put them at the number 1 spot, or not at the number 1 spot, but at the number 5 spot here, then they're good enough to put you here as well. So all you would have to do is just research these backlinks and the domains where you can find this website here. And just whenever you build your website, just have your website be put on those websites as well so that you can rank here. Okay? And then let's see. All right, and then the last one I'm going to talk to you about is citations, okay? So citations are anywhere that you can find your business in a directory, okay? And it would have to be your business name, your address, your phone number, and if you have a website, your website. Okay, so this is how these guys got here at the top 3. Anywhere that their business is found in a directory, you might be wondering what a directory is. So it would be like Yelp, it would be Yellow Pages, White Pages, any place where you could put your business up so the world can see, that would be considered a citation. So if these guys are having like 100 citations on that are referring back to their website, then I would want to one up them to like 120 or 150 so that you could take this main spot right here. And if I'm honest with you, Miss White, this is where all the traffic goes to, right? I don't know if you're like me, but if I'm Googling a place to fix my tire, I'm usually going to go with the top, or, you know, at least in this box here. So I'm not going to bother going way down here and looking through the second page, third page to find the business that I'm going to use. I usually just use this map pack here. So if you haven't created a map pack or a GMB for your business, I would highly recommend you do that first, and then just insert your business name, address, and phone number into a bunch of directories so that you can outnumber your opponents, or excuse me, your competitors, outnumber the amount of citations that your competitors have, and you can be right here in this area here, so people can find you, people can visit your website, people, I mean, you can get lots and lots of customers. So if there's not anything else, I did do the bail bonds one too, because I saw on your Facebook that you did do bail bonds as well. This is your competition here. So if you just wanted to apply everything that I told you to your bail bonds business, you'd rank here as well. And you can see them. They are at, gosh, right here. Well, this is a Facebook post, but it doesn't look like their website is ranking. So this would be an easy target here for you to hit, right? So it'd be an easy target for you to rank #1 here. This is a yellow pages, so this is not even local. So if you wanted to do that and implement all these tips and tricks onto your bail bonds business, then you could definitely rank top 1 fairly easily there in Hattiesburg. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You're probably wondering what to do from here. Well, option 1 would be to build your own website, get those citations up, get those backlinks. So you'd have to do some research into finding where your competitors you have their backlinks from and their citations, and then just use those same ones and then add some on there so that you can rank #1. Or you can hire someone, right? I'm obviously in the business, so if you needed help with anything, you could definitely reach out to me and I can see what I can do for you to get you to rank up here, okay? If there's anything else, please just reach out to me, Miss White, and I appreciate your time in watching this video. Have a good day.